Have you ever tasted a dessert so good it literally stops you in your tracks? Today we're attempting exactly that with a brand new flavor, banana pudding. But to pull this off, we had to go a little supply run first. I started out by heading over to ABC Cake Supply, you guys. They had so many candy flavors to choose from. It was honestly a little overwhelming in the best way. I spent some time looking through all the different packagings and the bags they had. They had a ton of options, but sadly just not the exact ones I was looking for today. We made it work though.
Now, before we get into the kitchen, I need to talk to y'all about my audio real quick. I am actively working on upgrading my camera and my microphone setup right now. And a lot of you saw my Tapstitch ad, that one that actually hit 8.5 million views. And you probably noticed the mic quality wasn't the best in that one. Here's the backstory. I filmed that video before I had proper mic or camera. I still don't have that. But there was absolutely no way I was going to let not having the perfect equipment stop me from taking that opportunity. I filmed it, waited a whole month for the brand to approve it, and it blew up. So whenever I get my next sponsorship opportunity, I promise the mic will be ready to go. And speaking of Tapstitch, if you've been wanting to start your own custom apparel line, do not let anything hold you back. You can use my link down in the description to get 10% off plus a $20 credit when you make your first sample purchase and launch your store. Also, while you're in the description box, I've got my Black Girl Vitamins link down there where you can grab 20% off your next order. Alright, story time is over and business is handled. Let's get right into making this banana pudding. So I went to this is the ABC Supply Cake Store, the cake supply store, and the variety here is a lot more than the other cake supply store by my house. They had a lot of candy flavoring, oil base, because that's what the method I'm using is the oil base. So I needed the food coloring that was oil based. Then they had these. I wanted to get me a scooper, so I did get this scooper right here. It was only like $6.19 in here, so I decided to get that. That was something that I needed. But the real reason I came in here was for bags. So while I was looking for bags, I seen these cooling racks, and I want to get one of those, but they were a bit expensive in here, so I said I'll go somewhere else and see if I can find those cheaper. So I came in here for bags, ones that I can ship in, and the ones that they have here are not the ones that I was looking for. They did have a lot of variety on the bags. They're right over here in this corner. They have right here, they have a lot of bags, but I'm looking for ones that I can ship in. I already tried to ship in those type of bags and it did not work out well. So I know I will have to order those online. But for the chocolate, I did get those. Those were good priced. So I said I'll go ahead and get those out of here. It was like $5 for almost, that looked like about 3 pounds. So I did get that from there. And if you're doing like cakes, they got so much stuff. They have a very large variety. But I did get home now. These are all the ingredients that I'm using for my banana pudding. And I do pop my popcorn from scratch, like on the stove or whatever, until I get a popcorn maker. But those are all the things I need. I pop the popcorn, and now I put it in these I have these 2 bowls here because I separated and get out all the seeds. You want to get all the seeds out. So I'm making sure that's what I'm doing here. Making sure there's no seeds in the popcorn that I'm going to put candy on, because you do not want to get candy on those seeds and somebody break their teeth. So that's what I was showing you there. Like, okay, so now we're going to do the candy mixture. We're getting the butter, the sugar, the syrup, the Karo syrup, and we're going to let that cook on the stove. I have this pot here. I got me a Dutch pot because it works better for me. But you get your candy thermometer. I have a digital one and I have a manual one, but you wanted to get the 300. And then now I am mixing up the candy mixture with the flavoring. And then I'm gonna go in with some candy color, food color, that's oil based, yellow. So that's what I'm doing there. And we're just mixing up our candy mixture before we put it over the popcorn. I'm making sure it's mixed well. And when I pour it in, I like to pour it in a circle and not make sure it don't clump all up and get all over. I want to make sure it gets all over all of the popcorn. So that's what I'm doing here, getting the popcorn all covered up. So then we're going to mix them up in this bowl. And I have the spatula is like a silicone where it's not sticking to it. So I'm mixing all the candy over the popcorn because I want to make sure it covers all of the popcorn. And this right here, this amount made 4 bags actually. Then I put the banana pudding on there for the flavor. You can mix that when it's in the bowl, however you want to do it, but that's how I did it. Then I'm adding the vanilla wafers, then the chessmen cookies, and then I'm going over top with some white chocolate to bind it all together. The white chocolate to me just brings it out, and that's what I'm doing here. Then I got my scooper and we're gonna bag them. 2 of these went to 2 people today. I took one to someone in the dispensary, they wanted one, and then my son went to a party and they asked for one. So and this is a new flavor. I'm just doing this flavor today, just trying this out. Here I am gonna bag them up and get these bagged. I don't have labels for this flavor because I was just trying this flavor out and it ended up being very good. So delicious. I think this is one of my favorite ones now. I had a strawberry crunch. I'm gonna replace that flavor. I don't like that flavor as much, and I'm gonna replace it with this flavor with the banana pudding. I'm telling you, this was over the top to me. So we're getting them all back because I do run a special where you get 4. You could choose, you can mix and match them. 4 bags this size right here for $25. I do ship and everything. I got a store on Shopify. I just launched all this like last week. I haven't made a sale on there yet, but I'm still getting everything together because I need to get better bags anyway to ship with. But it was so good, guys. I went ahead and packaged those up like I said. And I did 4 bags, but 1 bag we ate, me and my family. And then the other 3, I went out to 3 people. But it was very good, guys. I like it. I'm gonna add this one. Like I said, I gotta get better packaging to ship with, but these were very good. And yeah, you guys just check it out. And here we go, just showing y'all, a little how I bagged them and everything. But you guys, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next video and check out my descriptions for any leaks. I'll catch you in the next one.